guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Regia and we're in Nambi Fashion's Samba Room. Today I brought you one really beautiful waist trainer. It's one of our newest designs, and this waist trainer is right here. This is a laser reflective latex waist trainer. Look at how beautiful this design is. Look at it. Look at the light reflecting. So this is a latex waist trainer. So just like the other latex waist trainers, this also is made of three materials. The middle one is 100% natural latex, and the inside one, this part, is 96% cotton and 4% spandex. But unlike the other latex waist trainers, the outside is not nylon and spandex. The outside is made of another three materials, okay? So one of them is milk silk and a natural rubber. And the last one is the fluorescence coating. So those three are what makes this waist trainer so beautiful, so reflective, and so unique. Look at it. See? On this light, it's kind of dark. What color do you still see the reflective lights? But when more intense light is directly shoved on it, look how beautiful it gets. See? So this is what makes this waist trainer really unique and beautiful. So this waist trainer has 9 steel bones. Look at it. It has 9 flexible steel bones for back support. The more steel bones a waist trainer has, the more support it's going to give you, and the more durable your waist trainer is going to be, okay? And this one has 9 of them. And another thing that about this waist trainer is this YKK zipper. Can you see it? Right here, it's a YKK zipper, and YKK zipper is imported from Japan. It's the most expensive and strongest zipper worldwide. You can Google it if you don't trust me. So we started using this YKK zipper because we were getting complaints from customers that the other zippers were easy to break and they were not long lasting. So we always try to bring you guys high quality products. That's why we start using this YKK zipper, okay? And as you can see, this one has one belt, but if you want double belt, we have those as well. So for those of you who are interested to print your logos on the waist trainer, you sure can. You can print it out on this area next to the zipper part, or you can just print it out on the belt. This area is for your logo. So I have made a video about logo printings on belts. If you're not sure about the size and anything, I'll link the video down below in the description box and you can check it out. There is more details about logos and anything you need to know about logos in general on this video. You can check it out. Okay, so I'm going to be wearing this and you're going to see how amazing I'm going to look in this amazing waist trainer. So you just saw how beautiful this waist trainer is, in different lighting, different color, amazing, bright, beautiful, reflective colors. So this one is really recommended for people who usually have nighttime activities. Maybe you like to run at night, or maybe you like to go biking or do whatever at night, and you might not feel safe. But if you wear this, any light is going to be so reflective. You're not going to feel like you're alone in a dark place, okay? So this is going to be really good for you guys. It's going to make you feel safe because you're going to be the bulb at night. You're going to reflect the lights at night. So this waist trainer is going to be shaping up your waist. It's going to snatch it up, and this belt as an added bonus on that. I've said this before, if you add a belt to your waist trainers, you're going to get the extra tightness. It's going to hold you in extra tight. And if you're interested in this product, make sure to check out our website, or you can just DM us on Instagram, check out our page, and you can DM us any products you're interested in. You can see from the back, if anything catches your eye, you can just DM us and send us an inquiry. I hope you liked today's product. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye.